Welcome to Belize. To Corozal, guys. I am back in Corozal Town. And today I will be walking towards the town, into town, and see what we can film. Because, you know, hello. Because, you know, people, hello, how are you? Hi, nice, hola. Wow, big baby, no? Hola, mi amor lindo. Está preciosa. So, yeah, here in Belize, everybody knows me. And, you know, this, for people that are abroad, look, this is a beautiful Corozal Town, and this is 7th Avenue. People said they want to see a little bit more of the town, you know, of what is going on, and the houses. This one here next to Mendes is a new house, and you can see Lano from behind. There's a lot. He has a thick, big building, and then there's another one over here. Hello, how are you? Hello, nice to see you. What? Yes, man, long time I no see you. Yeah.
When I used to go fishing.
I know, you grow so fast. Oh my God. These kids, they grow too much. I mean, you eat a lot, true? Eat a lot of fish? A lot of fish?
Yes.
So, what do you have today?
Today we have a little bit of everything. We have some dragon fruit, we have some lime.
Dragon fruit, lime. Okay,
lime,
all right.
beets, Jamaica, melon.
Okay. I'll pass for my beet juice in a little bit, okay? I'll just go up there, and then I'll come back here.
We'll be right
Okay.
here with the best.
It's 250, no?
250.
All right,
Nothing will change.
Oh, yeah. I like the beet juice. It's really nice. Very nice. So you come all the way from where you do your... Right here from Paraíso? Okay. And you get your fresh juice every day?
Every day we have fresh product.
Oh.
Every day. Up to tamales we have no.
So it's a family business, or it's your own name? Yeah, everybody work together.
That for me, right? Well, for we, right?
Yeah.
My wife, but
Yeah. Okay, that is good. With the red pickup, true? Yeah, nice, very nice.
Pick up right there, don't I?
You know you're out here. Okay. So one ice box you sell every day? Or you sell one whole ice box every day?
Well, not really, because they got good days and bad days, right? So.
But only here you sell, or you go somewhere else?
Well, only right there. It's a little station right there, because it's like our shop, right?
Okay.
People don't know the shop.
Oh, all right. But at home you sell also?
Well, yeah, home here we sell
Oh.
retail home there and things.
Oh, so if people want it in a different time of the day, they can go and buy it.
So we always have
Oh, okay. That's why. So you can sell it all the time.
We also do retail and wholesale. If you want to buy
Okay.
amount, we give them best price. And
Oh, like if you have a party or something.
Or you're going to catering, or
Yeah.
you're going to pile a friend.
That's a good idea.
Gathering or whatever, we give you best price in
Oh, and your business has a name?
everything. Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
CJ's,
is this one here? I'm gonna put it right now on my video so people can see it. All right, Randall, take it. Let me guys, let me show you. This is the CJ'S, see? CJ'S Seaweed. This is a very young guy and his wife. They make very nice juice. I buy my juice here every time I pass, every time I come around. And I like the this one, beets, the betabel one I like. He even sell with brandy, with Belize, and the strawberry, the seaweed, peanut and raisins. Wow, maybe I should get that one. Peanut and raisins, I bet it's nice. All right, so they have different, and they have the phone number right here. The phone number is 629-9923. Let's see, and 601-2554 at CJ's Seaweed. And why do you have the name CJ's?
CJ's stands for Curlin Junior.
Okay. Oh, right. How long have you been doing this?
Well, we have fully functional hotel. We have 2 years.
Oh, 2 years. Okay. But you are well known though, everybody.
But we do it through the phone and look and.
Okay. And tell me something. If I want a certain type of juice, you make it also, like a personal one?
Once you want one special special order, you get special
Yeah,
order.
and you just
Whatever
give,
you
you just get a like a advance money, or
Yeah, well,
so that you know that
sometimes
this.
really want someone leave it because some people come for a special order
Okay.
for probably 5 hours. Then
Okay.
you have no deposit.
Okay, no
Make sure
deposit.
you check.
All right. All
Right now
right.
I said it check.
Okay, of
Because
course,
people always
of
want
course.
to, so,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
then I make my product then the best of my ability. So
And you know your product nice and clean and everything is
correct,
very
clean,
nice.
nice,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. Very fresh. Thank you.
okay, have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. So guys, come on to CJ's Seaweed, okay? And it's right here on the highway. See?
Okay, we have the seaweed in a now with promotion with a 3 for 10, three seaweed normal for $10. $10 you can go wrong, 3 for 10. Elsewhere that 5 or more for 1, so 3 for 10 can go wrong, the best price. Then we have the normal, and we have with the least special, I have with more special than special. And the juice them are $2.50, nothing change and nothing will change. So feel free to come see me any day already.
Show me a
Very
bottle,
best.
let's see.
We got watermelon. We got strawberry seaweed too, for who don't know about strawberry seaweed. We also have strawberry seaweed. We have the normal peanuts. We have watermelon. We have some beautiful dragon fruit today, nice and fresh. You can see it. We got carrots and pineapple. Seaweed. We got the best seaweed too, nice and thick. You can see it, thick, nice and thick, best quality.
That's with the peanuts.
Yeah,
Huh?
peanuts, fully loaded. It's a richest spot, I say.
Yeah, that's stuff for the buck.
Yes, put it back for the next attack. Don't know, I'm afraid. Oh, see me. I tell every day. 6299923. CJ'S Seaweed. Come see me. Talk to me and we could talk.
So guys, I am going to go buy my tamales right now because it's almost finished. And you know, Dog P Blogs, he loves his tamales. So I'm going to be giving the business to the guy because you know he works hard, and besides that, it's good to help people on their business. You know, people, hardworking people, they need to prosper. And he's a young guy, and he's just starting his family, I believe. So he's going to be making some money right now. So I'm going to CJ's. CJ's is the name, and see everybody, they come to buy stuff from him. He's selling food right now, so I'm going to buy some tamales, tamales time. They only have colados, and that's my favorite, with pepper, of course. Yay, I'm back. So see, he they sell. See, this is the CJ Seaweed. CJ Seaweed, guys. He just sold some tamales over there. And can you turn up your music, please, so that I don't get them unmonetized? Thank you. Just for a little bit. Okay, so give me 7 tamales, the hot one with pepper. Yeah, and 2 without pepper. Yeah, and 7 with pepper and 2 without. Yeah, because my man don't eat pepper, so sorry. She says she only eat 2, so she said only 1, but I told her I'll give you another one because I know you're gonna want the second one. Hola. Yeah, see, they just bought pineapple. ¿A cómo compró la piña? ¿En serio? Wow. All right, thank you. I'm going to buy pineapple also soon. They look good. See, guys, these are the tamales. So I am just hot tamales. Woohoo. Yeah. People from the States, they like watching how for with tamales, you know. Can they miss it? They miss it. They want to live over there. Yeah. So I know which one the which, sure. All right. Oh, you have also you. Hello. Hi, Diaz. Yeah, so 2 without pepper, and then my beet juice, okay? What? You come buy also your juice?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna buy the seaweed for the back.
Yeah.
Seaweed for the back. Yeah, so guys, this is CJ's here. He's ay. Accident. Alright, so I don't need no forks on that. I am at my mom's. I have here. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, uno de beets, please. El señor aquí quiere tu orange juice. Puedes atenderlo if you want, you can.
I have the rest, but no
Beet juice.
I knew orange.
Okay, no tengo, güey. No ha venido el
No ha venido el orange.
No ha venido.
Okay, so that how much I owe you?
Yeah, me,
My husband did already the thing, so I don't know if
9 trees, 28, no?
20, I don't know right now. Here. I got this.
27.
Okay, and the
29,
juice.
29 I'm charged.
Okay, check it here. Check it how much I have here.
20, 10, 20, 24, 25, 27, 50.
Yeah, guys.
$2.
$2 more? Okay, all right. All right, there we go.
Dame un beach one. ¿No tienes pineapple?
Sí, hay pineapple.
Ya, me das un pineapple.
So guys, I am short of $2, so I'm gonna be getting $2 more here. Good thing I have a lot of change right here. See there? Uy. Está lloviznando. So guys,
Have a nice day.
so I'm gonna enjoy. So you guys make tamales also then, and you do it every day or no?
Yeah, every day we do.
Oh, every day.
We're not
Oh
going to
my
do a lot
God.
because a lot of work. We not take on a lot.
Oh,
We try to take
for
on-
sure that you can sell. You know more or less how much you sell.
Correct.
Oh, okay.
That's
Okay.
because some
Let
people
me just put this there. Uh-huh.
Just because you see some guys come and they want a little snack together with the juice, right? So that's the purpose of the little tamales because
Okay.
it's not to it's not really, we didn't do it really for business like real
Okay.
business. We just do it
Something to
for-
go with the
something
drink.
to go with, yeah. So that when they come, they could get something a snack and they have a little juice.
Yeah,
And
that way they have a
seaweed.
little food
Yeah,
before going
correct,
somewhere
correct.
to
That's
work
the
or
purpose.
something.
Morning.
Perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
So good. So every day except you're here every day or
except Sundays. Some days optional, depends on the mood, right? Depends on if because we work every day.
Okay.
7 days is too much, right? But then some days when
but no, and then you take a day off, but you don't have a certain day to
we
take
don't
it
have,
off.
don't have really one specific day because we just take one day off when probably we feel like we got something emergency or something to do. Then we just take the
Then
day.
you don't.
Because,
Okay.
yeah.
Maybe you should leave a little message here, you know.
Yeah,
Then
tomorrow.
tomorrow,
day
yeah.
after.
Maybe on the you tell the lady here, you can leave a message and say you're coming back tomorrow or something. Perfect.
Oh no, okay. Puede pasar.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, come here to CJ's and you see here.
CJ Seaweed, one and only, the best seaweed in Corozal. Every day,
Exactly.
nice and fresh.
Yeah, exactly, guys. So
We got the best prices too, $3.50 for the normal and 3 for 10. Promotion 3 for 10. Come see me, come. Don't let me load and tell you. Come see me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, guys.
Bye bye. Right in front of Tortilla Factory, guys. Everybody everybody come and buy. Okay, I'll see you later and thank you for watching the video, guys. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay.